A very good afternoon to one and all present here. I welcome all of you to the inaugural function of E&ICT Academy FDP on cloud and fog computing platforms for IoT application from 16th December to 23rd December 2020, organized by Department of Computer Science Engineering and E&ICT Academy, NIT Warangal. So I welcome our Honorable Director, Professor Dr. N.V. Ramana Rao sir, uh, the chief guest of this function. I welcome the guest of honor of this function, Professor Dr. Rajkumar Bhuiya, from University of Melbourne, Australia. I also welcome the chief investigator of E&ICT Academy and senior professor of our department, Professor R.B.V. Subramanian sir. I welcome the coordinator of this program, Dr. Rasmiranjan Rao sir. So before we'll start the opening address, so let us start. I request all of you to please rise for our national song. So all of you please rise for our national song. Thank you everyone. Please take your seat. Now I request Dr. Rasmiranjan Rao sir, the coordinator of this FDP, to give opening address. Rasmi sir, please.
जो मेरा कमांड भेजा है उसका देखो कितनी टाइप कर रही है
Sanjay, it is not audible.
Sir, Rasmi sir actually disconnected, so sir will give the opening address.
Okay, please go ahead.
Sir.
Meantime, Sanjay, let me talk about the
Sir, sir, just a minute, sir. So now I request our chief investigator of E&ICT Academy, Professor RBV Subramaniam sir, to introduce E&ICT Academy. And as a senior professor of our department, I also request sir to introduce our department. Sir, please, sir.
Yeah. Respected our beloved director, Professor N.V. Raman Rao Garu, Professor Rajkumar Bhuya, coordinators Dr. Rashmi Ranjan Raut and Dr. Sanjay Kumar Panda, participants, good afternoon, everybody. It is my privilege opportunity.
Sir, you have been muted. Professor RBV, you have been muted.
Yeah.
Sir, please continue, sir.
Yeah, this program is jointly organized by E&ICT Academy and Department of CSC, NIT Warangal. I submit that this Electronics ICT Academy is funded and set up by Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology at 7 campuses in India. One of is NIT Warangal. Other campuses are IIT Guwahati, IIT Roorkee, IIT Kanpur, IIT DM Jabalpur, NIT Patna, MNIT Jaipur. This objective of this E&ICT Academy is supporting faculty development programs and training 1 lakh faculty in a span of 4 years. And each academy is given some targets. We proudly say that we have achieved the targets, and the targets of other academies are also recently given to us to achieve it. The project is extended by 2 years. Our initial jurisdiction is covering the southern states of India, but later on recently it is given open to India, and our faculty have varied specializations. So far we have nearly 50 programs in India, and our faculty have varied specializations. So far we have conducted nearly 250 programs, and we have trained nearly 19,000 faculty. And we are also organizing the postgraduate diploma program on AI and ML for industry professionals. And our director recently launched, given signal to launch another program on data science jointly with the IIIT DM Kurnool. Thus, the activities and Electronics ICT Academy has got given good advantage to the both faculty and industry professionals by charging the society with knowledge. Credit goes to the faculty of NIT Warangal who are supporting these programs, and also the people from other eminent institutions, eminent people from other esteemed institutions and industry. The Department of CSC at NIT Warangal has got very good name because of our curriculum designed with ACM and our proud alumnus occupying various high positions abroad and in India. The department has been offering popular UG program in computer science engineering with 180 intake and 2 master's programs. One is in general computer science engineering, another is computer science and information security. And also our MCA program, which is in fact almost the first one started in India, still continuing with very good placements and with high demand. Thus, our department recently, under the directorship of Professor N.V. Raman Rao Garu, added with 15 new faculty in the last 2 years. Thus, our strength is now nearly 28. And our retired people, in fact, they served as in-charge directors. And now the senior most professor of our department, Professor Swami Azli, is founder director of IIIT DM Kurnool. And various alumni occupying higher positions. In you name any company, our people are in fact serving the nation and the abroad. Currently, the courses due to the COVID it is running online smoothly with the advices and directions of our director and deans. The department has well-established laboratories, has good computing facilities, and hence that's why though this is pure COVID time, being computer science, all the labs are being conducted virtually with no hiccups. Hence, we are able to run the courses smoothly with the help of the existing LMS and other support given by the institution. Now, these online FTPs are also permitted by E&ICT Academy with the approval of MeitY. And I am happy that Dr. Raut and Dr. Panda came forward to organize this online FDP. And Dr. Rajkumar Bhuya has visited our institute earlier in connection with this kind of FDP, and he has kindly have collaborative research with our faculty. I welcome you, sir, Dr. Bhuya, and I recollect your presence here some 4 years back. And also we met at other institutions, Sri Venkateswara University, Tirupati. It is my privilege to welcome other speakers also. I hope this will give good inputs to the participants and give them good directions for the research, as the area is very thirst area and relevant current times. I wish you joy of learning. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for introducing E&ICT Academy and Department of Computer Science Engineering. Now I request Dr. Rasmi Ranjan Rao, sir, the coordinator of this FDP, to give the opening address. Sir, please, sir.
A very good morning to one and all present in this online meeting platform. Our chief guest, Honorable Director, Professor N.V. Ravana Rao, sir. Honorable guest of honor, Professor Dr. Rajkumar Bhuya, Professor, University of Melbourne, Australia. Chief Investigator of E&ICT Academy, Professor R.B.B. Subramaniam, sir. Registrar, Deans, Advisors, faculty members, staff, participants, students, invited media persons, and ladies and gentlemen. It gives me an immense pleasure to welcome all of you to the online FDP on cloud and fog computing platforms for Internet of Things applications, organized by the Department of Computer Science and Engineering in association with E&ICT Academy, NIT Warangal. Cloud computing is the standard of Internet of Things data storage right now. It's the form of computing where data is stored on multiple servers and can be accessed online from any device. Instead of saving information to the local hard drive on a single computer, users store it on third-party online servers. For the IoT, this means securely storing and managing an IoT data and having immediate access to it from multiple devices, anytime, anywhere. On the other hand, the term fog computing was coined by Cisco, and it defines a mix of a traditional centralized data storage system and cloud. Our program received 58 registrations with both male and female participants. The participants are from around 39 institutes, colleges, universities, industries, and research organizations, including IITs, NITs, IIITs, and ONGC. I thank all the participants for their interest in this program. I would like to thank all the faculty members of our department for their hard work and dedication towards preparing this online program and their valuable contributions for making the event a huge success. I would also like to take this opportunity to express my sincere thanks to all our resource persons, Professor Raj Kumar Bhuya, the University of Melbourne, Australia, Dr. P. Syam Kumar, IDRBT, Professor Sudhir Misra, IIT Kharagpur, Dr. Vinayak Kar, National Taiwan University of Science and Technology, Dr. Padmaluchan Bera, IIT Bhubaneswar, Mr. Madhu Parbatneni, Mad Blocks, Professor K. Chandrasekaran, NIT Surathkal, Professor Prasant Kumar Jena, IIT ISM Dhanbad, and Dr. T. Arabinda Reddy, Telit Communications India Private Limited, of this program to accept our request to deliver the lectures. This program is an 8 days program which consists of 24 expert lectures. These lectures are delivered by the faculty members of our institute and other institutes. Therefore, this program will provide us not only essential knowledge, but also a great opportunity to share experiences among each other. I want to welcome all of you again to this program. Thank you very much. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for giving the brief about our program. So now I request the guest of honor of today's FDP, Professor Dr. Rajkumar Bhuya. So Professor Dr. Rajkumar Bhuya is Redmond Berry Distinguished Professor and Director of the Cloud Computing and Distributed Computing Clouds Lab at the University of Melbourne, Australia. He is also serving as the founding Chief Executive Officer of Manjarasoft, a spin-off company of the university for commercializing its innovation in the cloud computing. So I request Professor Rajkumar Bhuya to address the gathering. Sir, please, sir.
So thank you, Sanjay, for your introduction. So it is my honor and privilege to be part of this FDP on cloud computing and fog computing focused on Internet of Things applications. And so this program is very timely, given that so this Internet of Things is getting very popular, leading to the creation of large number of data and need for creating applications to create smart environments in the context of, for example, healthcare, cities and transport, environment, and so on. So there are numerous applications, and developing those skills is very important for faculty members. And of course, obviously, once faculty members are trained in this area, possibly with some hands-on experience, they'll be able to impart that knowledge to the next generation, engineers, software engineers in particular. So this is very, very timely. So I like to, thank NIT Warangal for taking this leadership and organizing this event involving participants from various, institutes throughout the country. And I see the program is also, for close to a week, filled with numerous resource persons from different institutes, so making it much more diverse and bringing expertise and thoughts from multiple experts that definitely can create much more, so expertise and thoughts and ignite the minds of participants. And I hope that there are a number of research scholars also attending this event, so which is also can help them in their doing their research or PhD better. Then, of course, if there are participants from like master level or even final year engineering students like BTechs final year, so that will also further, provide much more beneficial to the participants and also the impact of this event in long term. Because those who finish, these courses, including attending such, specialized program at NIT Warangal, so they will be able to not only gain expertise, but the expertise can be put in practice in real world when they go and start working in industry. So thank you very much for inviting me. So it is my honor and privilege to be part of this event. Thanks.
Thank you very much, Professor Buya sir, for introducing about cloud, fog, and IoT, and encourage our students to learn this subject and make the field as a diversified field. So now I request our Honorable Director and Chief Guest of this FDP, Professor N.B. Ramana Rao sir, to address the gathering. Sir, please.
Good afternoon. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, please.
Good afternoon. At the outset, let me extend a very warm welcome to the distinguished professor from the University of Melbourne, Professor Rajkumar Bhaiya, my senior colleague in the institute, Professor R.B.V. Subramaniam, Chief Investigator of E&ICT Academy, the coordinators for these courses, Professor Dr. Reshmi Ranjan Rao and Dr. Sanjay Kumar Panda, both coordinators of this course on cloud and fog computing platforms for Internet of Things application. As already informed by the guest of honor that this area is of great relevance in the present day context, and the wide range of applications that it has opened up opportunities for many things to happen in a smart and efficient way. In fact, I'm very happy that the NIT Warangal E&ICT Academy has been doing excellently well in almost several areas of thrust areas of computer science and engineering, and they have trained more than about 20 to 30,000 in their allotted time in less than 3 years, even though they had a lot of time. So this is really something very good institute, and the type of faculty that they have been able to get for these type of courses is really commendable. They are able to get industry experts, experts from IITs, experts from international experts from Taiwan, from Australia. So this adds a value to the course. I'm sure that even though we are not able to meet face to face, this way of the NIT Warangal is continuously facilitating continuous learning, especially for faculty of engineering colleges from all over the country. And I'm glad that the participation is huge, the response is huge, and there is a great demand for this course. The coordinator told me that there are about 50, 60 applications that have been received, and they have taken enough care to select the participants. In fact, NIT Warangal, most of you must be aware, has a long history. We are more than 60 years old institution, and our national ranking in the among the engineering colleges is 19, and we are doing still well. And recently, we have recruited more than 150 faculty in several departments. It has really added to the strength, and I'm sure that most of the faculty who are interested in continuing research or continuing their joint collaboration, we are open to it. And this is one area which I think we have a center of excellence, and also our faculty are very keen to do this. We have also several other faculty training issues like the TLC Academy, the Teaching Learning Center, sponsored by the Ministry of Education. We also have a Center for Continuing Education of NIT Warangal. But I'm glad that the E&ICT Academy has joined hands with the Department of Computer Science to organize this particular course. And I'm sure that all of you will greatly benefit from the experience and expertise of the various speakers, and you'll go back with good memories and also share these knowledge with your students and with your colleagues. And whenever you can, now the gap is bridged between NIT Warangal and you, and whenever you want to come back or correspond, we'll be happy to interact with you and have joint projects with you. So thank you very much. I don't want to take much time. Thank you very much, and thank you all for your kind attention. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir, for introduce our institute to the participant. So now I request our head of the department, Professor Radhakrishna sir, to say a few words about this workshop.
Respected director and respected Professor Rajkumar Bhaiya, I hope that he remembers me. I'm Radhakrishna. So, good afternoon to all of you. And actually, this is a wonderful program coordinating by the Dr. Panda and Dr. Rashmi Ranjan Raut. And actually, this is actually opportunity that the CSE department, the last this pandemic situation, organizing continuously the FDP programs, various FDP programs, starting in the area of blockchain, bioinformatics, image processing, machine learning, AI. So all these areas, a lot of FDPs are conducted. Our faculty are actively involved in the research, and they are doing a good work in the starting from the like data mining. We have the big data lab, and there are a lot of new labs also coming out. Like Dr. Raut is one of the coordinator. Dr. Raut is also establishing a cloud computing lab in our department. And recently, everything was placed except the few things were left over. So maybe in a week's time that we will be up that lab also. So and we want to keep most of the softwares and infrastructure both in that lab. And we have the other labs like a big data lab, software engineering lab, and networking lab. The department has a good number of faculty members. As our directors have mentioned, there are the 50% of the young people. They are contributing to the department nowadays, and they come from the very reputed organizations, and they are organizing very well, and they are also participating in the sponsored projects. And then this the current area which is coming up like a combination of the multiple things leading to the IoT and starting from the cloud. And maybe their recent statistics are showing on the large number of devices connecting to the net. And it's a very good platform, this kind of FDP program, where you will learn a lot of things from the experts from the various fields. Okay. And I wish all the best, and I hope that you will learn most of the emerging techniques coming up in this area. And I wish you all the best, and thanks to all of you.
Thank you very much, sir, for informing to the participant about our department and the recent workshops conducted by our department and our department strength. So it is now the time to propose the vote of thanks. So on behalf of E&ICT Academy and Department of Computer Science, I would like to thank our chief guest of this FDP, Honorable Director, Professor N.B. Ramana Rao, sir, to join the program and giving his valuable time to inaugurate this workshop. Then I also thank to Professor Rajkumar Bhuiya to accept our invitation as a resource person as well as the guest of honor for this particular FDP and give his valuable time for this particular FDP. I also like to thank Professor R.B. Subramaniam sir, senior professor in our department and chief investigator of E&ICT Academy, to give his valuable time for this FDP. I also thank to Professor P. Radhakrishna sir, head of the department, Computer Science Engineering, to say about our department and address the gathering. I also thank all the participants to showing their interest in this particular workshop and join this particular program to learn the things related to the cloud, fog, and Internet of Things. I thank one and all to join in this particular program. Now I request all of you to please rise for the national anthem.
जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, पंजाब सिंध गुजरात द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा, तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाहे जय गाथा, जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, जय हे जय 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 हे.
Thank you everyone, please take your seat. Now with the permission of Honorable Director, we want to close the inaugural function.
Yeah,
Sir,
please.